My name is Dan Hamer.
It's wonderful to have you here. I just want a quick feedback about the conference that you're attending.
Oh goodness, this is now, I've been coming to these events now since 2006, and I've watched this conference grow from year to year. I think this year particularly there was a certain amount of concern beforehand because of the state of the global economy and more specifically our own industry. But I think, as you can see, I think I was told there were 450 delegates. That's a really good effort at this time, and you can see that all of the main companies are here. We're all back again because we really enjoy this conference. It's a great opportunity to get together, and well, we still consider the potential here is very, very exciting. That's why we keep coming back. Yeah?
Okay. Perhaps also the peace and security that we have here is what compels you to come regularly?
It does, yes. Yeah, I feel very relaxed here I feel much more relaxed here than I do sometimes in the UK. When I go back to the UK, I'm a lot more alarmed than I am when I'm here. Yeah, great. I mean, no issues from that side. And well, for most of the last year, I've been working out in the Western Lowlands, and yeah, it's been fine. No problems.
Okay. So you are here on your behalf now. You're not representing Andiamo as before.
Yes, Andiamo, like many of the junior companies, is experiencing acute problems raising funds. So in order to secure the future for the company, we've actually put everything down onto a very low level of activity. And unfortunately, yeah, that means that I'm not with Andiamo anymore. But as you see, although I finished at the end of April, I'm back here. I don't want to miss this conference. And well, I'll be giving the Andiamo presentation tomorrow, and I'm going to talk to as many of the other companies here while I'm here and see whether any of them need anybody, because I certainly am not looking forward to moving on from this part of the world. I feel very at home here, so if I can find an opportunity to make that stay here a little bit longer, yeah, I'd be very happy to talk to anybody who's interested in my services.